What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with another quick matchup for you. So if you don't know what those are, basically matchup is where we show you a certain size wheel wrapped in a certain size tire and how those two match up, hence the name matchup. So this is an 18x9 Anthem wheel here wrapped in the AMP Terrain Attack ATA. It's a 305/60R18. So basically what that equates out to is 32.4 tall by 12 inches wide. So like I said, the wheel is 18, so that's going to be diameter, by 9, which is the width. And then the tire, the 305/60, that's a metric size. They can be kind of difficult to understand, so that's why I have calculators on our website to convert it to standard. Otherwise, you're looking at the 305 being the section width, and then the 60 being a ratio to calculate how tall the sidewall is, but that's a lot of mumbo jumbo that you don't need to know. What you do need to know is they're about 32.4 tall and then 12 wide. So obviously, since this is a 12 wide tire on a 9-inch wide wheel, you can see there's a ton of bulge or bubbling going on the sidewall because the tire is so much wider than the wheel, so you get that balloon sidewall effect, some people will call it, which if you don't know, Anthem's more of like the off-road hunt and fish camp kind of brand, so they usually go for that type of look, a little more usable setup. This is a stock Silverado, Alex's truck here, and there's not really a ton done to it other than literally just the wheels and tires, stock suspension, everything like that, and it basically just fits in here with some major plastic trimming. So like I said, 32.4 tall, 12 wide, lots of sidewall. If we're measuring just from the edge of the rim all the way to the top of the tread, you're getting close to like 6.5 inches there. So there's a pretty good amount of rubber. So if you do want to take this thing off-road, you definitely can. Plenty of sidewall protection from curbs, rocks, anything like that you might bash the side of these into. And the tire too, the Terrain Attack ATA is like AMP's hybrid tire. So best of both worlds, a little bit of on-road, a little bit of off-road. And that's your matchup. That's how a 305/60 R18 looks on an 18x9. Peace.